Hey guys, welcome to my OTCstore.com online store for health and hygiene products. Today we'll be featuring Inky Monkey Bar Anti-Friction Powder with calamine. It is specifically formulated to help absorb sweat and minimize frictional skin discomfort. It helps you keep you dry and comfortable. It is ideal for butt-busting activities such as motorcycling, bicycling, horseback riding, truck driving, hiking, hockey, football, and baseball. This item is available for purchase at myotcstore.com.